Login failed on SigFig Fix. You're ready to review your investment performance on SigFig, but then the login screen rejects your credentials. Login failed. It's frustrating, but here's the surprising truth: most SigFig login problems aren't serious and they can be fixed in minutes. Start with the basics. Double check your email and password. SigFig requires exact credentials and both fields are case sensitive. If you copy-paste it from a note or password manager, try typing manually. Sometimes hidden spaces or incorrect characters sneak in. If your password truly isn't working, hit Forgot Password. SigFig will send a secure reset link to your email. Just be sure to check your spam or promotions folder if you don't see it right away. Now, let's talk about browser issues. Cached data, cookies and extensions can all disrupt logins. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then reload the SigFig login page directly, not from a saved bookmark. Alternatively, try an incognito or private browsing window. This gives you a clean environment and rules out old session conflicts. If you log into SigFig through your brokerage, like Fidelity or Schwab, it's possible that the connection to your financial institution has expired. Re-authenticate the connection by logging into your broker directly, then reconnect it in SigFig's settings. Also, check for network problems. VPNs and public Wi-Fi networks can trigger SigFig's security system, preventing logins from unknown IP addresses. Turn off your VPN and use a secure, private connection for best results. If you're using the SigFig mobile app, make sure it's fully updated. Outdated versions often stop working properly after app or server updates. Visit your app store, download the latest version and restart your phone. Most people assume a failed SigFig login means something serious, but it's almost always a minor sync, browser or network issue. Follow these quick steps and you'll be back to analysing your portfolio, tracking returns and managing investments confidently in minutes.